Cryptocurrency is everywhere, but for most people, it's just confusing. Prices swing wildly. One day a coin is worth a fortune. The next, it's nearly worthless. This unpredictability, called volatility, makes crypto feel more like gambling than investing. Imagine if your dollars lost half their value overnight. How could you plan your life? That's why most people don't use Bitcoin or Ethereum for daily purchases. The technology is exciting, but the price swings are a deal breaker. People want money that holds its value, not something that could disappear overnight. So, is there a way to get the benefits of crypto without the chaos? Yes, there's a special kind of digital money designed to be stable. It's not flashy, but when it comes to your money, boring is good. This is the world of stablecoins. They're changing how people use digital money. Let's see how. So, what's a stablecoin? Think of it as a digital dollar. It's a cryptocurrency pegged to a real-world asset, usually the US dollar. One stablecoin equals $1 today, tomorrow, next week. Companies keep real dollars in reserve for every stablecoin they issue. That means you can always trade your stablecoin for a real dollar. It's like a digital IOU, backed by cash. You get the speed and convenience of crypto, but with the stability of regular money. No wild price swings, no constant market checks. Stablecoins are the reliable cousin in the crypto family. They're not exciting, but they're practical for everyday use. Think of them like casino chips, easy to use, but always worth the same when you cash out. In the digital world, stablecoins are your chips. Spend them, save them, or cash them out anytime. They make crypto simple and safe for everyone. That's why they're catching on fast. Let's clear up the difference between Bitcoin and stablecoins. Bitcoin's price is set by the market. When demand goes up, so does the price, and vice versa. That's why it's so volatile. Stablecoins, on the other hand, are designed to match the value of the dollar. You don't buy stablecoins hoping they'll double in value. They're meant to stay the same. Bitcoin is like a stock. You invest hoping for growth, but you risk losses. Stablecoins are like cash. You use them to pay, save, or send money, knowing their value won't change. You wouldn't buy coffee with a share of stock, and you wouldn't want to with Bitcoin either. But with stablecoins, you can buy your coffee and know exactly what you're spending. They're the bridge between traditional money and the digital world. Stablecoins make real-world transactions possible on the blockchain. That's what sets them apart. They're built for everyday use. So, how are stablecoins used in real life? One big use is sending money across borders. Fast, cheap, and without banks. You can send millions in minutes for just a few cents. They're also a safe place to park your money in crypto. If Bitcoin's price is crashing, you can swap it for stablecoins instantly. No need to go back to your bank. Online shopping is another area. Sellers save on fees, buyers get lower prices. In countries with high inflation, people use stablecoins to protect their savings. Instead of watching their money lose value, they hold digital dollars. Stablecoins offer financial security where local currencies can't. They're a powerful tool for anyone needing stability. From remittances to shopping to saving, stablecoins are making a real impact. They're practical, accessible, and changing lives. That's why they matter. Of course, stablecoins aren't perfect. The main risk is trusting the company behind the coin to actually hold the dollars they promise. If they don't, or if they mismanage funds, the stablecoin could collapse. That's why it's crucial to use coins from transparent, reputable companies. Regulators are stepping in to make stablecoins safer for everyone. Despite the risks, the potential is huge. Stablecoins could become the backbone of a new, open financial system. Imagine getting loans, earning interest, or making payments, all without a traditional bank. This is the promise of DeFi, or decentralized finance, built on stablecoins. They make financial services cheaper and more accessible. Stablecoins solve crypto's biggest problem, volatility, and make digital money practical. They could be the bridge that brings crypto to the mainstream. The future of money might just be stable, digital, and open to all.